Yes. Good morning to you all, my viewers. Yeah, this is Jonathan Navasa, and I'm going to be taking you mathematics level 1. And our topic today is all about numbers. Numbers. And in numbers, we are going to discuss about various things, whereby our first topic is going to be counting numbers. Counting numbers. Counting numbers 1, 2 to 20. How do we always count these numbers? We can count these numbers through a formula, whereby we have 1 tree, and this tree is called 1. Then, if we have 2 balls, this is 2. If we have 3 girls, this is called 3. Then we have 4 boys. That's 4. We have 5, and 5 we have 5 cars. This is called 5. Then we have 6. We have 7. Then we continue. We have 8. We have 9, and then we have 10, so we have counted from 1 up to 10. We are going to continue from 10 up to 20, meaning that we are going to have 11. And 11, you can get it from this is 11. Then we are going to have 12, and 12 will be equal to and this is 12. We can have 13. This is 13. Then this is called 14. 14 we may have 15. And this is 15. 16 we may continue. This is equal to 16. For 17, this is equal to 17. 19. This is called 18, and 19 this is called 19. Then 20. We are going to have this is equal to 20. We can count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, my dear viewers, we have learned how to count from 1 up to 10. But still, we have to learn how to write these numbers from 1 up to 10 in ones. So we are writing the numbers from writing numbers in ones. 1 to 20. So our first letter, our first number, it's 1. And 1 is written as 1. Our second number will be 2. And 2 will be written as, our third number, it's 3. And it's written as, then we have 4, 5, Then we have 6. We have 7. 8. 9. And 10. After 10, we have 11. We have 12. We have 13. We have 16, 14. We have 15. We have 16. $17. 18. 19. And 20. So this is how we can write numbers into words. We can write from 1 up to 20. However, 20 it's not our last digit. We have more than 20, whereby you can write even from 1 up to 100. Yeah, we're going to another topic whereby we're going to see the multiples of 10. What are the multiples of 10? Multiples of numbers. Multiples of numbers. So we are going to look at the multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 we have multiples of 10 we have 10, we have 20, we have 30, we have 40, we have 50, we have 60. Multiples of 10 are infinity. What are the multiples of a number? It means that the number that can be multiplied by that number. You understand? So it's 10. 10 times 2, we get 20. 20 times 3, we get 30. Meaning that the number that can be multiplied by that same number. That's what we call a multiple of a number. Let's see multiples of 100. Multiples of 100. Multiples of 100, we have 100, it's of course it's 100 times 1, which is 100. Then we have 200, we have 300, we have 400, 500, 600, and infinity. Infinity means there are more numbers. Thank you for watching multiples of numbers, and at this time I'm going to take you through greater than or less than. Still we are under numbers, and right now we are going to see how we can know numbers greater than the other numbers. So greater than, greater than, or less than, lesser than. Here, First of all, we have to be knowing the signs or symbols that we use, whereby a greater sign, it's always like this. This is a symbol that shows something greater than. Or you can use your arms, whereby if you fix them like this, you are able to see the greater sign and the lesser sign. Whereby this is a symbol of a greater than, and this one will be a symbol of less than. So this is less than, this is greater than. Thank you very much. For example, we're going to have an example here. We have maybe these school children. So we have 3 girls and we have 4 girls. So here we are going to use greater than sign first. So we are going to say that 4 is greater than 3. Which other way can we say this? We can say 4 is more than 3. Or we can say 4 is greater than 3. For more examples, we can have maybe 6 balls. 6 balls, then plus 5 balls. So if they say determine 6 balls plus 5 balls using the greater sign or lesser sign. Here we have to know that 6 is more greater than 5, meaning that we can either use our symbol 6 is greater than 5, or 6 is more than 5, or 6 is greater than 5. This is how a greater sign can be dealt in. At this time, allow me and take you through how a lesser symbol is. So this has been a greater sign, and now we are going to look on how we can use a lesser sign. For example, we have 2 balls, and we have here we have 4 balls. So this is 2 added by 4. Obviously, if you see this, you're going to see that 2 is lesser than 4. But how can you write it? We can write it as 2 less than 4. Or you can see 2 is fewer than 4. Or you can continue and write 2 is lesser than 4. This is how you can differentiate between a greater sign and a lesser sign. At this time, allow me to take you through equal signs. Equal signs, it's also written as equal signs. So let me take you through equal signs and we see how we can do them too. equal signs. So equal signs are the most important signs or symbols that are used in mathematics, because we may be having 2x then added by 1 egg. Finally, here we are going to get 3 eggs. This is a sign I'm telling you of, equal signs. To be equal to 3. But someone can even differ to write it as 2 added to 1 equals 3. But still, someone can say 2 added to 1 gives. So gives can also work. Gives 3. So that's all about equal signs. And at this time, allow me to take you through addition of numbers. Addition of numbers. Here in mathematics, you have to understand the 4 symbols that can be used by the learners. First of all, we have, this is the symbol of addition, this is the symbol of minus, this is the symbol of multiplication, this is the symbol of division. Or, at times, they call it like that. So, if you know these 4 symbols, then you may not have any problem with mathematics. So, allow me to take you through addition of numbers. Addition of numbers is the most easiest thing in mathematics. And if you are to give you some examples, we have Jen, we have Sharon, we have so we have here the first table having 2 people, the third table having 3 people, and what's our final answer? We have 1, we have 2, then we are adding 1, 2, and 3. Here we are going to have please. We are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are only 5. So we are going to say that it's 2 plus 3, we get 5. This is an example of addition. For more examples, we can have 3 plus 5, which will be equal to 8. We have 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is what we can do with addition. And at this time, allow me to take you through. I'm going to take you through commutative addition. commutative addition. What do we mean by this? We might be having maybe 2 oranges, then plus 3 balls, then here we have 3 balls, then we are adding with 2 balls. Here we see we have 2, and then we are adding 3, but here we have 3 and we are adding by 2. What do we get at the final answer? When it comes here, we are going to get, and here, so 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have got 5 balls. So 2 plus 3, we are going to get 5. And then here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. We are adding 2. 1, 2. We are getting 5. And then our final answer is also 5. 2 plus 5, we got 5. 3 plus 5, we got 5. Still, we may have 4 plus 6, we are getting 10. And then 6 plus 4, we are getting 10. So this is what we call commutative addition. Thank you for watching that. I also take you addition of 0 at some numbers. Addition of 0 to numbers. We have a box of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are adding, this is an empty box, and then we are getting 1, 2, 3. What does this show? We have 3 eggs. We are adding, empty means we have a 0. And 3 plus 0, we are going to get 3. More examples, we may have 4 plus 0. This means that we are going to add 4 to 0, and then we are going to get a 4. 6 plus 0, we are going to get a 6. We understand? So, this is what we call adding numbers to zeros. Now let's see how subtraction can be worked out. Subtraction, first of all, subtraction means taking away. You have 5 fingers, but I'm going to cut one. I'm cutting one finger from your hand. It means that you're going to have 5, then you subtract 1, meaning that you're remaining with 4. Hope we are the same line. So an example is we have 4 in one box. Then we are subtracting is equal to, what does this mean? We are having 1, 2, 3, and 4. But still, in our second box, we're having 1 and 2. So, we're having 4. This is a symbol of subtraction. 4 minus 2, and we are having 2. Then we might be having 5 minus 3, and we are going to get 2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, my friends, this is how we can subtract numbers. And due to that, allow me to stop from here. Thank you for viewing our video. You can describe this video, you can like the video. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow at the same time.